Hey there, it's Brittany. I have a really fast haul from Woman Shops World. I haven't ever shopped with them before, but I've seen them around for a very long time. I found some beads that were on sale, so I was like, hey, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know if they have all of these still. Check them out. I'll leave links in the description. This is not an affiliate video or anything. It's just beads that I really wanted that I bought. Look at the cute little wrapping that they had in there. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's very colorful because my whole order is super duper colorful. First of all, look at these fish. These aren't super colorful, but they're cute. Each one was bought separately, but I'm going to use them as focals, probably as bracelets because I love fish and stuff. But aren't those cute? I love them. And I like that even though they're like the same style, they're not like each one is individual. They're not exactly the same shape as their buddies. These are shell and I think resin. They weren't on sale, I don't think, but they were just so cool. I had to get them. I think they were a little pricey, but I just loved them. They're shell with resin mixed in. The green part's the resin, obviously, but super cute. 5-piece mix there. They're hefty. They're yummy. Can't wait to use those. And then I got a lot of bone. The reason I'll show you when we get to that part. I just kept shopping. I just kept looking. I went to their website for a specific bead, and then they had some good deals, so I had to do it. And I think this was right when I was in the hospital, and I was also like just frustrated and wanted to go shopping, so I did. I got these bone beads. So I got 2 of the mint color. One of the turquoise, they called it. It's more blue, purple, and pink. Aren't those yummy? These are Batik bone beads, meaning they're dyed. And I think they used wax to make this pattern and then dye the beads. Got some more bone in like a fun shape. Hadn't seen this before. It's got black, blue, and purple. Aren't those fun? So they were dyed and then probably faceted after they were dyed, I'm guessing. I don't know. And then I only got 2, but they had several other colors of these. Almost like a periwinkle and a nice like lime or chartreusey green. These are, I think, like 10 or 11 or 12 millimeter. They're fun. They're bone. They're carved, dyed. Super fun. Like, look how colorful this is. We're getting into more color, too. And then I got 2 strands of these because I just loved them. They're bone. I think most of this stuff is bone, if not all of it. Orange and painted. So fun. Look at those. This just it looks like a party. It looks like a party. Your more Batik bone. These are green with some squiggles. So much fun. And then my second bag of beads. I got some more dyed, obviously, this is blue with like some targets carved into them or stamped into them. Love that. These were on sale versus these that weren't, but I liked this color more, but I liked the shape, so I got 2 of these because these were on sale. But I like this color, so I still got them. I know they're very subtly different, but when I was shopping for them, I was like, oh, I'll just get both. But those are really cool. Love these. They're so gorgeous. So cool. So neat. Oh, I love them. And then, of course, I had to get more fish. How cool are those little guys? Look at this. Isn't this just the yummiest set of beads? And then these I saw on Instagram, and then this is what set me off. And they unfortunately, didn't have any of the pink ones left. And I was super bummed about that. But I had to get at least, I think they only had 1 strand of this blue left. Come on. Heart bone beads, heart Batik bone beads in blue. Are you kidding me? Oh, I had to get them. Then they had red, and I had to get 2 because, come on, because they're red and they're hearts and they look great with turquoise eventually. And then they're kind of like half strands. They're not really long strands. And then I got 2 of the green because, come on. Isn't this just the yummiest order you've ever seen in your life? So excited. I'll put a link to their shop in the description of this video. Again, not an affiliate link, just somewhere that I bought some beads from. So thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite was. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute, and I hope you have a good day.
Are you laying in the only spot that has sun on it?
In the bedroom? You so cute. And you got your fan. You look like Farrah Fawcett. Yeah. You such a cutie. Yeah, you such a cutie.